700 exercise number 16 complete. Dictation speed 90 to 100 start. We can see comma therefore comma that the common expressions a long life and a short life have real meaning only when thought of in relation to the life of the man in the street comma the number of years on which insurance companies base their figures full stop but we seem at present ready to ask questions and willing to hear the answers comma so let us ask one or two further questions full stop. What do the words long and short mean when in regard to distances question mark? What do we mean when we say a place is near or far comma when we say a thing is of light weight or is heavy comma when we say that we are moving more or less quickly question mark? What do we mean when we say that an object is great or is small question mark? We find that all these expressions have real meaning only one object is considered in relation to some other object full stop para the life of a man is short almost beyond measure when considered side by side with the life of a man upon earth comma past and future full stop so comma 2 comma is any distance when we have upon earth short beyond measure when considered side by side with the distances which are beyond the earth full stop. If we move round the earth in a straight line, the biggest distance we can cover is about 25,000 miles full stop. But if we look far out beyond the earth when we are faced with distances in relation to which 25,000 miles are as nothing full stop, the most distant object of which observations can at present be made is thought to be 140 million light years away from the earth full stop. Light comma as we know comma moves at 186,000 miles a second which comma it is agreed comma is a considerable rate full stop. One light year is the distance which light covers moving throughout the year at a rate of 186,000 miles a second full stop. When comma therefore comma it is stated that something is at a distance from us of 140 million light years comma a distance is represented which it is beyond or pars to picture full stop. Our earth is large if measured by other objects upon the earth comma but it is a small thing of no importance whatever when measured by objects outside the earth full stop. When measured by the size of some of the great masses of burning matter which we see as points of light above us at night full stop para we tell our friends comma perhaps comma that our weight is this or is that comma but here again we meet with difficulties full stop. Our weight is different in different parts of the world comma while if we found ourselves on a body smaller than the earth we should be so light that we could move about with an ease impossible here full stop. On the other hand comma if we found ourselves on a body much bigger than the earth comma we should be so heavy that we could hardly move at all full stop para we read in the newspaper that a plane has reached the wonderful rate of r 600 miles an hour, but what is a rate like this when thought of side by side with the rate at which light moves, as for movement to the north or to the south, to the east or to the west, we know that our movement can be judged only in relation to some other object which is at rest, or which can be said to be moving at a given rate away from or towards us, the earth itself turning at a great rate, and we do not feel this movement of itself, we can judge the movement of the earth only in relation to some other object which is not moving with it, we have probably all had the experience of not being able to tell which way a train is moving at night when we cannot see anything out of the windows, we cannot tell which way we are moving or at what rate we are moving, except in relation to another object which is not moving with us, and so we find that many of the common expressions of delay life have no meaning in themselves and become really for us only when considered in relation to some other fact or object,